Want to get closer to God? Quit 3 things. Maybe getting closer to God isn't about doing more. Maybe it's about finally quitting the things that keep pulling you back. Here are 3 things that quietly keep believers stuck. And the third is the one many of us already know we need to change but keep telling God later. Number 1, quit worrying. Worry is the enemy's favorite leash on your peace. Every time you replay that fear at 2 a.m., you're letting it pull your mind into a future God never asked you to carry alone. 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7, casting all your care on Him, for He cares for you. Hand Him the rope. Let Him carry what was never yours to hold. Number 2, quit speaking hopelessness over yourself. I'm such a failure. Nothing works for me. I'll never change. You think you're just being honest, but you're teaching your heart to agree with your hopelessness. In Proverbs chapter 18 verse 21, death and life are in the power of the tongue, and that love, it shall eat the fruit thereof. Stop repeating what fear says about you. Start agreeing with what God says. Number 3, quit delaying what God already told you to do. You know what needs to go, you know what needs to change, but you keep saying later. After this season, when life slows down, or next week. From James chapter 4 verse 17, therefore to him that knows to do good and does it not, to him it is sin. You don't need another sign. You need to obey the last thing He already showed you. There is no someday promise. There is today. If even one of these has been holding you back, you don't have to carry it into tomorrow. If you're letting it go today, comment, I'm letting go. Save days for the next time. Worry or later start pulling you back, and send it to someone who may need the same reminder. If you want to go deeper into God's words and actually walk closer with Him, message Bible study to the WhatsApp number on screen. I'll help you join. Getting closer to God may not mean doing more. It may mean finally letting go. Don't keep saying later. Obey today.